Hello students, welcome to standard 10 subject mathematics. This is chapter number 3, pair of linear between two variables. The first lecture we have seen the pair of linear equations general form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, that. And two lines when we have on a plane, how many possibilities are there, that also we have seen that. The two lines may intersect each other at one point. Two lines may not intersect each other, that is the parallel lines, and two lines may coincident on each other. So three situations we have seen. Now we will see how to represent these lines as an equation which were given in the graphical form. So for that examples you have in your textbook. Example number 1, 2 and 3. Actually you have example 1, 2 and 3. That you will do your homework it is. Examples 1, 2, 3. This is your homework. You will do your homework. And remember this, that all the graph work should be done in the graph book only. And the graph book comes of printed questions that you have to buy from market, and in that you will see that printed questions will be there. This type of all questions will be there, and you will have the space of doing some calculation like this, and the space for the graph also you will have. In that book only you do all the graph work. So your all the course graphs will be maintained in that book. So that you remember. Don't do this in rough or math style book only. You do this graph work in graph book. Okay. So exercise 3.1 is question 1. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Aftab tells to her sister that 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Means 7 years ago, Aftab's age was 7 times her daughter's age. Also 3 years from now, means after 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. And if you consider after 3 years, Aftab will be 3 times, after 3 years, he will be 3 times as old as her daughter will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically, both the way. So in solution, let present age of Aftab is x years. Here the age is given before 7 years and after 3 years. So first we consider the present age of Aftab is x years, and present age of her daughter is y years. If you talk about 7 years ago, Aftab will be x minus 7 and her daughter will be y minus 7. And what is the relation in between? Aftab age is 7 times her daughter's age. That is given. So this way we can represent in equating form. Aftab 7 years ago age is 7 times her daughter's 7 years ago age. Now simplify this x minus 7 as it is. 7 into y, 7y minus 7 7 49. This will be x minus 7y and minus 49 plus 7 will be this side. So it is minus 42. So x minus 7y equal to minus 42 is the algebraic representation of first situation. From here x equal to minus 7y, if I take on right, it will be plus 7y minus 42. Now two pairs of x and y values we will get to represent it in graphical form. We need pairs of points. So first y equal to 6 if we place here, what will be x equal to 7 into 6 minus 42. 7 6 are 42 minus 42 equal to 0. For y equal to 7, here you place x equal to 7 into 7 minus 42. 7 7 are 49 minus 42 is 7. So the two pairs of x and y in this equation we have, when x equal to 0, y equal to 6. When x equal to 7, y equal to 7, 7, 7. So this way we have the two pairs of x and y values for this first situation, 7 years ago equation. Similarly, 3 years from now, the age will be, Aftab's age will be x plus 3 and her daughter's age will be y plus 3. At that time the relation is Aftab's age was 3 times her daughter. So 3 times of her daughter's age we have created. Now simplify this x plus 3 as it is. 3 into y, 3y plus 3 is 9 plus 3, this will be x equal to 3y plus 9 plus 3 will be there minus 3. So x equal 3y, 9 minus 3 is 6. Now putting again any two values of y, here also you can take any two values of y. It's not necessary that I have taken 6, 7 and you also have to take the same. You can take any value, but between 0 to 10 if you take, it will be better. Any value of y to find any value of x will be corresponding value of x you have to find. Similarly, y equal to 0, y equal to 1 I have taken. You can take any value 5, 6, 7, 8, any value you can take. For y equal to 0, this x equals to give 3 into 0 plus 6 is, it will give 6. Right? And for y equal to 1, this will be 3 1 3 plus 6, 9. So x equal to 6 here. Right? So this is for y equal to 0, x equal to 6. This is, and for y equal to 1, x equal to 9. This is the second table we have. Now, so algebraically, both the equations are, first equation is this, x minus 7y equal to minus 42, or minus 42 you can take on right, left side. So it will be x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. And the next equation is this one, that x minus 3y, you can take 9 here, x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. That way, both the equations algebraically we can show. Now to show graphically, we will take x dash and y dash, you know very well. On that, for this first equation, we will draw the graph. Right? So it is on 0, 6, x 0, y 6 is this point. This point is x 0, y 6, and 7, 7. 7, 7 is this point. This point. These 2 points are joining these 2 points. We will get the graphical representation of first equation. This is showing the first equation, that is x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. To get the next equation, next pair of values, we will take 6, 0. 6, 0 is 6 this way, and 0 is same way, no height. 6, 0 is this point, and 9, 1 is this point. So joining these two, we will get another graphical representation of the second line. This is our second equation, that is x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. So this is simply, we have shown the graphical representation of both the lines, because both the equations, corresponding equations we will have it, and this way we have to show it graphically. Here, scale about that we have to write. On x-axis we have taken 1 centimeter as equals to 1 year, and on y-axis also 1 centimeter equal to 1 year. X-axis shows after age, and y-axis shows daughters. So that way, algebraically we got the equation, and graphically we have represented it. Very simple. Now that question number 2 we have similarly, the coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1,300. Represent these situations algebraically and graphically. So in solution, let the cost of a bat is rupees x and the cost of a ball is rupees y. So algebraically, first situation is how many bats she buys first? 3 bats. So 3x plus 6 balls. So 6y equals to 3900. This is the first equation, algebraical equations we got. In next situation, later she buys another bat, means 1 bat of x rupees and 3 more balls. So 3y total cost equals to 1300 she paid. So 1300. This is the second algebraical equation. From here, this 3x equals to 3900 minus 6y will be, and x equals to this 3 will be down to this part, 3900 minus 6y upon 3. If you place y equal to 500 here, 500, 6 5s are 30, and 00 is 3000. 3900 minus 3000 will be 900. Divided by 3 will give 300 x equals to. For y equal to 400, if you place 6 4s are 2400. Subtracted from 3900 will be 1500 by 3 will give 500. I have taken 500 and 400. You can take 100, 200, 300, 400, 600. Any value also you can take. And corresponding x value you can find. And then make the pair of x and y values. X is 300 when y is 500. X is 500 when y is 400. This way, the pair of 2 points you got. This side also x equals to 1300 minus 3y will do. So this is for again the y value equal to 300 if I place. 3 3s are 900 subtracted from 1300 give 400. If I take y equal to 400, 3 4s are 1200 minus subtracted from 1300 give 100. Again you can take any value of y here, not necessarily that 300 or 400. You can take 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and now make the pair of this values. X equals to 400, at that time y is 300. When x is 100, y is 400. That time. Now graphical presentation is here. We have shown x dash and y dash. Here 1 centimeter equal to 100 unit I have taken. So for about the scale you have to write on the graph. Scale is on x axis 1 centimeter. On x and y both actually. On x axis and y axis on both we have taken 1 centimeter equals to rupees 100. 1 centimeter shows 100 rupees. So that we have to understand. Now first we will see this equation, and for that the 2 points are 300 and 500. 300x will be here and 500y at that time. So that way I have shown here 500 is this point is the first point, 300 500 this point. Then 500 400, 500 here at that time, 400 these 2 points. So these 2 points are of the first equation, and for that the first line I will draw this way, right? So this is the presentation of first situation, first equation. Second equation is when 400x 300y, 400x 300y is this point, and 100 and 500, 100 and 400, 100 on x, 400 on y, this point is another point. Joining these two we will get the another equation, another line. So this is the another line. Graphically we have represented. On this line we have to write up the equation. This line represents the equation as algebraic equation is 3x plus 6y equal to 3900, and this line represents this equation. It is x plus 3y equals to 1300. So this way graphical representation also we have shown. So this type of examples you have 1, 2, 3, and question number 3 also after this you have, that you will do in your homework. So 1, 2, 3 example and question number 3 of exercise 3.1 you will do your own. Very simply this way only we have to make the equation. 2 equations we will find every time, because it is a pair of linear equation, 2 situations, 2 equations, and for 2 equations 2 lines, and the 2 lines may be like this going somewhere and they will intersect maybe, and here also they are going somewhere and they will intersect maybe, and 2 lines may be parallel also you will get. For the third question number 3 of 3.1, if when you draw the graph you will find the lines will be parallel. That you will find. You see, you draw it, you will find that both the equations will not intersect each other, they will be parallel. And for examples, if you see first example, second example and third examples, all the examples are given very well in our textbook. In first you will see that in one of them you will see that the 2 lines are coincident, and in another you will say the two lines are parallel, and in third you will find that two lines are intersecting each other at one point. All three types of situations of two lines when they are in the plane, they may intersect, they may be parallel, means not intersecting each other, and they may be coincident. All the three types of examples you have. So you draw it very well in your graph book only, that also you remember. And this three questions also, from that two questions I have shown you here, and the third questions you have to do your